question number 1. We have this function f of x, and in question A we have to find the extreme points, or the x values of these extreme points, and also state the nature of these extreme points, which means if they're maximum or minimum. First thing, always just have a look at the function. So x3 over 9, x to the power of 3 over 9 plus x2 over 2 x2 over 2 minus 4. Okay, enter. Let's have a look at the function. So we don't need to zoom out or anything. We can see the most important part of the function. So it's just going to keep going down here to the left and keep going up here to the right. So here we have a maximum, here we have a minimum. So let's have a look, see if we can find the x values to the left, to the right. These are the coordinates, okay? But they asked us for the x values. So in A we just have to answer. For x is equal to minus 3, we have a maximum. Maximum for x is equal to minus 3. Same thing, let's find the minimum for this function. And here are the coordinates, x value 0, y value minus 4. But they asked us for the x values. So for x is equal to 0, we have a minimum. Now in the B question, find for which x values the function f of x is increasing and decreasing. We can just look at the graph to the left of minus 3. It's increasing, so we coming up here, it's increasing, and here it turns around. So for x is less than minus 3, the function is going up, it's increasing. So f of x is increasing for x is less than minus 3. But here to the right of x is equal to 0, it also increases. So we have that f of x is increasing for x is less than minus 3 and x is greater than 0. And then the function is decreasing only between x is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to 0, between these 2 points. And this is the way to write that interval, when x is between minus 3 and 0. We're not including minus 3 and we're not including 0, because in these points the derivative is 0. It's not decreasing, not increasing. So between minus 3 and 0. Now the last question, find the equation of the tangent to the curve f at the point where x is equal to minus 2. So let's go to geometry, points and lines, points on the graph, and it doesn't really matter where we place it, somewhere close to minus 2. And now I have to click escape to go out the drawing mode. Now I can actually, let's move this down here, so I can just click on the x coordinate here, which is minus 2.09. I want it to be exactly 2, so I'm going to click once to select it, click twice, and now I can just go delete and minus 2, press enter, and then we see that the y coordinate is going to be minus 26 over 9. Let's move this up here. Now I want to have the tangent, so I'm just gonna once again go to geometry, points and lines, tangent. I'm gonna click here and if we want to, we can click escape to go out the tangent drawing mode, and now we can extend the line a little bit. There we go. Final step is to go to actions and coordinates and equations. Click on the line once and then click it here over here to place the equation. So the equation would be minus 0.67x minus 4.22. That's the equation of the tangent.